Good morning, every member of LIT family, including students, faculty members, non-teaching staff members, members of the management, all other stakeholders, and the parents who have been cooperating with us since long, continuously in the best way. I am Dileshwar Sahu, Principal of Lakshya Institute of Technology. I extend my best wishes to all the members. Really, this Puja holidays will be memorable for all of us. We know power driving and power giving Ma Ganesh Durga will bless all of us to be powerful. We will be able to solve all the problems we have. We must be able to maintain a very healthy, happy, joyous and prosperous life. In fact, after coming back, again we will be serving as in the best way every time we maintain it. With this, congratulations to all the members. Thank you all.